So in the last video, I had explained in short the tools that are available in the top toolbar section of the schematic window. So right now in this video, I'll be explaining the tools that are seen in the left toolbar section. So as you can see, by default, the selection mode is usually selected. If we want to pick certain components, we go into the component mode, and you can see there is a P and an L. The P is for picking the components, for picking the devices that are available in the Proteus software, and the L stands for going to the device libraries. So if there is a certain component that you want to pick by the library, or you want to reorder the libraries, actually you can use the device library section. So getting back, there are also the pin mode and device pins mode and terminals mode. These modes are used when we make a new component. Now you must say that there are already so many components in the Proteus, but there sometimes the specific components that we require are not available in the software. These components have to be made and can be made in this software itself. So we will use the 2D graphics mode to make the outline of the component, like it can be a button for a circle or a rectangle for a so whatever it may be. We can use the 2D graphics mode to create an outline, and then we will use the terminals mode to add the pins. Also there are the graphs mode, where you can see the graph at a certain point, like the analog graph, the digital graph, the Fourier graph, and so on. Also, there is a probe mode where you can put a probe on a certain point at a certain terminal and check the voltage, the current available at that point during the simulation, of course. Also, there are instruments available in this software like oscilloscope, logic analyzers, debuggers, signal generators, and so on, that we'll be requiring in our simulations. So this is all about the tools that are available on the left side section of the Proteus window. So in the next video, we'll be starting with our first simulation projects, which will be very basic and you'll love it. So stay tuned.